already spent a little time talking about it today, and we actually got a text from one of our viewers, Courtney, and here's what Courtney says about it. What, are you kidding? Of course the big O is all that. It is, however, not necessary in order to have a great session. Intimacy and orgasm are often mutually exclusive. A great session. That's an interesting way to put it. All right. Thoughts?
Yeah, no, I agree with her, and I'm really happy that she's speaking on behalf of women, because I think men need to know that it's not the number one priority all of the time, and women need to know that if they're not having one, that that's okay, that they can still be in a healthy, exciting, fun relationship. So I think that's I think today's message all around is great and important.
That then I guess would lead me to my from the last couple of segments, and just tell us what you mean, women. And I mean, you know, we were talking, this is kind of a fuse of the last 2 weeks here. Faking the big O, you know, we were talking about that.
Yes,
Yes, we were talking about that. Again, blushing here. I just want to know, you know, is that one of the things that women should be truthful about then? I mean, really, get it out in the open?
Yes, absolutely, because what happens is when you fake it, you're sending the wrong message, and you're sending the message that what you're doing is good and leading me to climax, when in fact it's not. And so that's really not a good sign. And additionally, there's just no point in being dishonest. And women feel so much pressure, I think, to climax, because we see it everywhere that, oh, women do this and do that. And it's just not always the case.
And I think men probably feel a lot of pressure as well to make that happen, right?
I mean, yes.
I mean, that's another problem over here. Can't really talk about that.
Absolutely. And again, that's why it's so important for men to know that what women really are looking for ultimately, and what's going to make you a phenomenal lover, and what's going to make it a really good interaction, is that you appear present and intimate and connected.
And you've got to get this out in the open. You got right out the gate. I mean, right straight out the gate, like, because I imagine it just kind of would be a snowball effect if you weren't truthful at the beginning.
You're hitting it right on the head, Jeff.
Right
yeah, right there. Absolutely. Because what happens is people will show up in my office and they didn't start out being truthful. They started out faking, or they started out thinking one thing that really wasn't the truth. And then they don't know how to back out of it. All of a sudden now they're not climaxing, and their partner's going, well, what's wrong? What am I doing? And that becomes really problematic.
All right, well, this segment is all about you. The show is all about you. So if you have any questions that you want to ask Dr. Paz, it's very simple. You can text us, you can call us, you can write us 23539 if you want to send us a text, feedback@southflorida.com if you want to send us an email. And also, Dr. Paz is going to go back to our chat room. You can talk to her there at southflorida.com. And you can also